Oh my god. No freaking way. I am playing against Tommy Kozlek, who is 5 years old, and he just beat both Alexandra and Andrea Botas, and now he's here going after me. So the opening was a mess. Some Carlsbad that I usually play. I have like 20 games in this Carlsbad with Anna Kremling, and I first made him think. And yeah, I forgot to mention I was late by 20 minutes. I mean, what else is new? Honestly, you won't believe this, but I was actually preparing. What is he gonna do? A rook e8. Nice line. So I tried to surprise him with his bishop h4, something that I also had prepared for my match with Anna Kremling, if you remember. There is the video here how I played Anna. So I castle. Not a big deal. And I'm just trying to confuse him. Yeah, I'm just trying to psych he's out. I mean, it's insane. How can a boy have this level? 94? What is 94? What is this move? He's trying to trade bishops. Oh my god, I don't remember my theory. I do not remember what I was gonna do here. I cannot believe he's 9. Damn, I don't remember. Okay, let's go bishop takes e7. Because why not? My bishop is attacked, so I'm gonna trade it. Look at this, boys watching. Like, they are having too much fun. Okay, queen takes. What are you guys thinking? I take the knight with the bishop because I want to attack this pawn. And the pawn takes, and I want to go knight g3. And it looks like I still have the advantage, but... Why are you smiling? Don't smile. What's your problem? Bro, focus on your game, okay? Okay, knight f6. Okay, fine. He's protecting, of course. He's not gonna go f5. Look at how he's sitting at the board. I mean, he's so sweet, honestly. You'd think that the kid is intimidated, but it's me. It's me who is confused and lost. Rook b1. Okay, I'm developing my rook. a5. He's stopping me from playing b4, which is like usual plan in the Carlsbad, so I don't blame him. Yeah, I agree with that. That's a good move, buddy. Oh, look, it's... Oh! Where are you going? Where are you going? Bro, it's like 1 meter. Oh, there's this chess brainiac, also known as James Chirilov, FIDE master. I have no clue. What is gonna be my plan? I literally don't know what to do. Uh-oh. He's back. Uh-oh. I love how he's wearing the oversized t-shirt. Telling that he is 9 when he is in fact 5. Knight a4, knight d5, and keep in mind this is the last round of the tournament, and I'm already doing badly. Knight back, knight f6. He wants to repeat? No, we ain't repeating, buddy. a3. We ain't no repeating anything because I am here to fight. I mean, the guy is like 1700 rated. I cannot do any draws, even though he's like worth 2200. h4! He's trying to grab space. Kelly's here taking pictures. Kelly, stop intimidating me and distracting me from focusing on the kid. h4! He's attacking my knight, bro! Leave my knight alone, will you? I don't want to go knight h1, because it's just like, why would I do it? Should I go knight e2? Yeah, of course. Something tells me my king smokes. Like, as if it was on the fire. Because the fire is about to happen. Like, you know, bishop f5, protecting the pawn. Okay, knight a4. Oh. And he's going back to d5, of course. He thinks I'm gonna repeat, but no, I ain't repeating anything, buddy. This time, another knight, knight e to c3. Queen g5! He's coming after my king! Oi, 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 oi. Okay, I take the knight. He has to take back. Yeah, he takes back. And now king h2, because bishop h3 was a threat. But he goes rook a6, and he wants to transfer the rook to the other line. Oh, here is Ben Feingold. He's checking on me. Mr. Ben Feinstein, I'm very sorry. I'm about to lose to a kid because I want to win. Is that so bad to be willing to win against a kid? Queen b3. What does this point? The kid is like, what is that? The kid is like, what is going on here? I mean, if only I knew myself. Listen, I'm just trying to create a plan in a position that has no plans. Ooh, bishop d7. I go knight b6, attack the bishop and the pawn, but he's gonna defend it. Bishop c6, but now the bishop is cutting the rook. Although careful, Dina, after a4 you might lose the knight. a4, queen b4, queen d8, I'm gonna lose the knight. Oh no, I have to go back. No. Knight to a4, going back. What is he gonna do? Oh, the kid is back. Stop scratching your nose on camera. People are watching. Right the move. Good. Bishop d7. Bro, you want to draw? Like, aren't you supposed to be fighting rook c1? But now rook g6, he's attacking and checkmate. And then I go rook to g1 and I protect. And queen h3, he's preparing a sneaky little idea of rook takes g2. And then queen takes h3. But it does not work because I will remove my king. Although, he is threatening f2. I'm just trying to check if rook g2 is really dangerous. I don't think so. So I go knight b6. Now he cannot do queen f2 because I'm gonna take the bishop. He cannot do that. So he has to, yeah, he goes back bishop c6, of course. He wants to protect everything. And now I go rook c2. And the idea is that f2 is protected and there is no longer any attack on g2. So how is he gonna proceed? I mean, I understand that my position is not as good. I do, but I want to win, so I have to take risks. This is how it always goes when you're playing lower rated. Queen g5, attacking what exactly? Oh god, I'm annoyed. Rook c5, attacking d5. Okay, he goes queen to f5, but now I can just... Wait, queen c2, protecting f7, a4? That's such a weird move. But rook a5, attacking a4. Now rook e6? Wait a second. That's a free pawn. Should I not take it? No. Knight c4, beautiful move, and I transfer my knight to the center and he cannot take it because there is a queen. He must have missed this move. Now he goes rook f6, but in this position I can just go knight e5 and I'm attacking the rook on g6. What is he gonna do? Now my knight is back to protecting. Queen e2, he sacrifices the rook. Oh my lands. This boy is 9 years old and he's sacrificing the exchange like Grandmaster? Somebody pinch me. Am I dreaming? What is going on here? And he's just walking like a champion. Okay, I have to take it. I don't have any choice, but what's his idea? Queen takes f2, rook takes f2, and now I take his rook, of course. Duh. What else he gonna do? Bro, I'm so confused. What just happened? I just got positionally outplayed. I mean, white is still better, but how? What's the move? Okay, so I protect the pawn, but evidently that's... And he attacks e3, but I go b4 and he takes an knight, but wait. Rook e1. I have to find a way to activate my other rook. His bishop on c6 is just a pawn. There is no way he can hold this. No way. I cannot believe. Rook c5, mistake? Did I just throw? Oh my god. Rook d1, prepare me to rook d3, and I cannot take because the pawn is gonna promote. Okay, I have to push a4. But now what is he gonna do? Rook a. But then just go a5. Come on, this is not the way to go. Oh no, I think he realized. Queen h7. He realized what happened. Okay, now I have an easy plan. Do you see it? Do you guys see it? Rook b6, exactly. And now we prepare the push of e6, and that's a pawn break. And you know what happens after a pawn break? I just take a bishop. Oh my god, he saw it. He gives away the b7 pawn. That's it. I see. Although I take the d5 pawn because I want to protect the g7. And now bishop d1. He wants to attack my king, but I ain't gonna let that happen. I put my rook on g5, but now he might annoy me with the... Bro, why did you sacrifice that exchange? You can't be serious. This is so weird. Why would you do that? I mean, honestly, it's not the best thing that you should do. Bishop h5. But I just take on b7, exactly. Yeah, collect all the pawns at this point. You going after my pawn? You want my e3 pawn? Rook b5. Okay. Now rook takes. Yes, rook takes on e3, correct. But now push. Push him, baby. And rook a3, and now we interfere. We do the rook a5, and there is no way to stop the pawn, and you don't need the second blank. You don't need... Why are you wasting the paper? You don't need to. Like, protect forests. Preserve the planet. You can resign already. It's okay. It's enough. You don't need to. We can save the score sheets for someone else, honestly. Okay, e3, I stopped the pawn. On e5, your pawn ain't going anywhere. Resignation. GG's. I just avoided the humiliation. What was that? Seriously? If you don't want to lose against kids, you better join my Russian chess school, where I teach how to use your brain. And let me tell you this, in this game, my brain needed some improvements. And he walks away like a champion. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put the like and subscribe if you want to see more of great videos like this.